could have done more. I could have been better than I was. I should have said more. The things we waited for were there. You could have talked more. You could have fed this old and hungry love. You should have lied less. The secrets that you have are still yours. I remember when you closed the door. The storm was both outside and inside my soul. Even if I'm now alone, I can feel you in my bones. Maybe we just need to grow on our own. We could have shared more without the rush to prove anything. And I should have held you tight to keep you from the bad you have done. I remember when you closed the door. The storm was both outside and inside my soul. Even if I'm now alone, I can feel you in my bones. Maybe we just need to grow on our own. Even if I walk alone, I can find my way back home. Maybe we just need some time to grow love, to grow love, to grow this love, to grow this love, to grow this love, to grow this love.